I was able to make more than $7,000, guys. How? I was using Bollinger Bands Indicator. Just keep watching. Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Bollinger Bands Indicator. First of all, I'm going to start today with a very small deposit, which is $36, and Bollinger Bands Indicator can be a helpful technical analysis tool to help us identify entry points. So guys, I can't wait to start. Let's go. Let's first connect the Bollinger Bands Indicator. To do this, I click the Tools tab at the bottom of the screen and I'll select the indicator we need. I'm changing some settings since this indicator works better with such settings, and I also increase the thickness in the sliding ones, and I make all of them different colors for more convenient display. So as you can see, this indicator is a price channel with a green upper bound and a yellow moving average and the red lower border of the channel. And let's look at some of the signals of this indicator. As you can see, when our price touches the lower limit of the price channel, we see that the price shows good growth. That is, in such case, I can open a deal up because the price began to move up from the lower limit of the channel. Further on, we see that the price touched the upper limit and made an impulsive bounce down from it. That is, in such situation, I was able to open a deal down because the price just showed a good decrease. Also, as you can see in this case with correction, this indicator is not particularly informative because we see that the price is not moving very strongly and it often touches the upper and lower borders of the channel. Therefore, we'll avoid such situations as much as possible and we'll look for more obvious price movements on the chart. So these are the main points which we will need on our trading today, and let's finally start and find the first entry point. So as you can see here, the price has a resistance level at the top, which it has already tried to break through several times. Also, now we see that the price impulsively touched the upper limit of the indicator. In such situation, we will open a deal down because the indicator made it clear that the price has a good potential for decrease. And I think that in the near future the price will move down. We also see that the price has already rebounded downwards from this area several times. Also, now I think that the price will not be able to break through this area immediately and we'll see a reaction here. We'll try to make money on such downward pullback and let's see how our deal will close. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, we managed to open a deal from the maximum point on the chart, and thus our deal closed with the profit. That is, I made money on our first deal. As you can see, the indicator didn't let us down and gave us a really good entry point. And so, guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here the price is moving in a downtrend. At the moment we see some kind of attenuation near the lower boundary. In such situation we will open a deal up because I think that in the near future we will see a rebound up from this border. As you can see, we have already seen such movement on the chart earlier. Also, now we see that having touched the lower limit of the indicator, the price has stopped decreasing. That is, all these points tells us that the price has a good potential to go up. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price on the background of the news showed strong growth, and thus here we got confident profit. Let's continue and find the situation of the market. So as you can see, then the price continues to move upwards and touch the upper limit of the indicator with an impulse. In such case, I will open a deal down because I think that the price will bounce down from this boundary. Also, the price moves quite impulsively to the top, and we have already formed several green candles in a row, and therefore it is more likely that the price will roll back down in the near future. We will try to make money on such rollback here. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you're watching my videos without subscriptions, so guys, let's fix it. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, we didn't see a big decrease in a minute, but at the same time, our deal closed below the entry point, and here we got the profit, guys. As you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again, and this suggested us a really good entry point, so I suggest that we continue and consider another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price moving in a downtrend. At the moment it touched the lower border of the indicator. In such situation, we will open a deal up, because I think that the price will bounce up from this boundary. Just as you can see, we have already seen such an upward pullback. This is how we understand that the price is a good potential for growth. I think that in the near future we will see such an upward pullback. We will try to make money on it here, and just as you can see, green candles are already forming on our chart and the price is showing good growth. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Excellent. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and made a good pullback up. This is how we got the profit here, and our deposit has already increased from the initial amount more than 10 times. This is a great result. As you can see, so far the indicator didn't work bad at all. And so guys, let's continue. So as you can see, we have a resistance level here and the price bounced down from this level. At the same time, at the moment, it touched the lower border of the indicator with an impulse. Therefore, he will open a deal up as the indicator made it clear that the price has good potential for growth and there is still space to reach the marked level. At the same time, we see that the price has already tried to break through this level several times before, and I think that even now the price will approach it and try to break through it again. Here we'll try to make money on such upward movement, and I think that 1 minute in this case will be totally enough for us, guys. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it is approaching the marked level. This is how we made the profit here. Also, 1 minute in this case was just perfect for us. And so, guys, let's continue. Alright, here we have a support level at the bottom and the price showed good growth from the level. At the same time, at the moment, the price touched the lower limit of the indicator and here we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. Also, we still have enough space to reach the maximum point on the chart. And at the same time, the main price lows on the chart are rising. As you can see, the price moves up mainly with green candlesticks and quite impulsively. Also, we already have an impulsive green candle forming on the chart. That is all this point just make it clear to us that the price has a good potential to go up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Perfect. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and showed good growth. Thus, I got steady profit here, guys. And also 2 minutes was just perfect in this case. And as you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again and showed us a really good entry point. And so, guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see, here we have resistance level, and from this level the price showed a strong decrease. At the same time, at the moment, we see that it touched the lower border of the indicator. Here, I suggest opening a deal for a minute to go up, as I think that the price will bounce up from this indicator boundary. Also, as you can see earlier, the price showed good growth, and I have already touched the marked level several times. And there's still a long distance from our entry point to this level. At the same time, earlier in this area, we saw some kind of correction and then the price went to the top. Also now, as you can see, the price has slowed down in this area. That is, all these points tells us that the price has a good potential to increase, and I think we will see price increase in the near future. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad at all, guys. As you can see, our price fell into the correction zone. We didn't see much growth, but at the same time, our deal closed above the entry point, and here we were able to earn money. Thus, we already have more than $2,000 on deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal, guys. And so let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see here, we have a good confident uptrend, and at the moment the price touched the lower limit of the indicator. Here I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up, as I think that the price will continue to move up. Since we still have a long distance to reach the maximum point on the chart, and at the same time we see that the main price lows on the chart are rising. And also we see that earlier price has already made such a downward pullback, after which it continued to move up the uptrend. So it is more likely that the price will continue to move in this same scenario in the near future, and I will see the price increase. Also here we took time of 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible correction or pullback of the price down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and here we got the profit. That is, the indicator in this situation turned out to be right again, and also 2 minutes here was perfect for us. And so guys, let's continue and find one more deal for today. All right, as you can see, here the price is moving in an uptrend, and at the moment it is rolling back down and touching the lower board of the indicator. Here I immediately open deal up, as I think that the price will move up, because we also see that the support level is located here. The price has already rebounded up from this level several times. So now I think that the price will move according to our scenario. I will see a price increase, and let's just watch the chart and see how a deal will close. So my dear traders, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and show the good growth. Thus, I got a steady profit here, and we already have more than $7,000 on my deposit. The trading goal has been completed. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you were able to learn something new. Guys, today we were trading with Bollinger Bands Indicator, and perhaps you like the way I trade, and you can try this indicator on your own. Just connect Bollinger Bands Indicator, find similar situations on the market, and train as much as possible. I hope that you already subscribed to this channel. If not, do it right now. Also, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video if it was useful for you. And also, my dear traders, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals, and they are totally for free. How to get them? Super easy. Just text me code word signal, and I left all the essential links down below. So guys, I will see you in the next trading session. Bye bye.